So today I'm actually working on a different app to the startup that I'm normally working on. But I got this idea for this AI-driven thing that I want to build. Like, I'm usually pretty good about like not jumping between like a million different ideas, because that's usually like a stumbling block for a lot of people. They keep jumping from project to project. Usually pretty good about not doing that, but this idea that I got was too good to not build, and it's reasonably easy to build as well. And also I wanted to talk about just my daily routine in general. Like, now that I'm self-employed, how do I stay productive? Like, what do I actually do in a given day? Because it seems like people seem to be interested in that kind of stuff. So we'll be talking about all of that. Also, another exciting thing is today is my cheat day on my diet. So you'll be seeing me eat something absolutely filthy. I'm feeling pancakes. What do you think? But yeah, welcome back to the vlog. You know, I used to be drinking coffee first thing in the morning like pretty much everyone else, but then I learned from the Huberman Lab podcast, it's actually not when you're supposed to drink coffee, because when you wake up, your cortisol level, which like regulates your alertness, is naturally gonna be very high. So if you're drinking coffee, which increases alertness, is first of all gonna do nothing because you're already alert anyway, and second of all, it's gonna like mess up with your natural cortisol levels and things like that. What you should be doing is delaying your first coffee like 90 to 120 minutes after you wake up. So that is what I do. It's now around 2 hours after I've woken up, and this is my first coffee, and does it taste good? When my app makes me a billionaire, I'll have one of those. You know, the one thing about being on a cut in Dubai, so in case you don't know, that's like trying to eat less to lose body fat, is that there's so many restaurants, so many of these amazing places where I would love to eat. So I'm always just like waiting for my cheat day so I can have those filthy pancakes. But the one thing about eating a massive plate of pancakes is that working after a massive carb meal is pretty damn difficult. Gotta do it anyway.
First, if you are building an app of any kind, almost certainly you are going to have to use email as part of your app in some kind of form. The absolute best and easiest way for you to do that today is using Mailgun, who are today's video sponsor. So I've been using Mailgun for a while now in a bunch of my apps. The reason I like it so much is because it's just so incredibly easy to start using it. Like, just with these lines of code, I'm able to send myself daily reminder emails about the daily habits that I wanna keep doing every day. Mailgun is used by thousands of companies and leading brands like DHL, Wikipedia, Toast, Lyft, and Microsoft to send over 240 billion emails every single year. They have world-class support, features like send time optimization, fake sign-up prevention, and much more that allows all of these companies to very easily deliver marketing campaigns and keep track of their email list. So it's literally never been easier to start integrating email into your apps, and if you're not doing that already, you really are missing out. So thank you for Mailgun for sponsoring this video. Go try Mailgun today using mailgun.com/internetmadecoder. That's mailgun.com/internetmadecoder. Now back to building my app. I'm eating strawberries because I want to pretend that I'm healthy again after those pancakes. But like, in all seriousness, people ask me like, oh, how are you so successful when you're so young and everything? And like, honestly, this is gonna sound so cringe, but like, probably the biggest reason why I'm able to get so much done, number one, of course, that I really love what I'm doing and everything like that, but the reason why I'm able to work so hard and why I'm able to achieve so much, honestly, because I'm just very healthy. I exercise every day and I eat healthy 80% of the time. Like, it doesn't have to mean never eating unhealthy. It doesn't mean that you have to forever quit sugar and things like that. Just 80% of the time, make sure you're eating healthy, high quality, nutritious food
exercise regularly, and your hormones are literally going to make you want to work. Like especially if you're a male, your testosterone levels are going to be high, your dopamine levels are going to be constant. You're going to enjoy the act of doing hard work when you're just living a healthy lifestyle. That's like entrepreneurial advice by Thomas, for whatever that's worth. Like, that is my number one thing. People in this like entrepreneurial space on YouTube will tell you that, or you need to have this perfect routine, like otherwise you can't succeed. But like the thing that no one will tell you is that the only thing that really matters when it comes to like succeeding, you just do the work, you just do a couple of hours of work every day. Like, guess what? You will make progress. Entrepreneurial lesson by Thomas, number 2. Listen to me. 80%, no heck, like 95% of your results with entrepreneurship or anything really just depends on, are you putting in a consistent effort every single day? Are you doing something every day to get towards your goals? If you just do that, if you just do work every single day, it doesn't matter what your routine is, it doesn't matter how you get the work done, as long as you are staying healthy, like I said before, so you're not like destroying yourself, and you're actually doing something to move towards your goals. Like, if you're just doing that, doesn't matter when, you find a way to do it in a way that works for you, you will make progress and you will eventually succeed. That is the hack to the entrepreneur daily routine that no one will tell you. You know, of course, I talk a lot about working, and of course I work really hard during the day and all this. But at some point there comes this like sweet spot where trying to do more is like just not that effective anymore. But that is why right now I am on probably my favorite time of the day, like just a nice walk outside, like an evening walk. I usually go like to the beach or around this like marina area to like look at the sunset, listen to an audiobook. Or sometimes I just don't listen to anything and I just like try to get ideas. I find that doing my walks I get my best ideas, like a lot of like that's why recently I've been very active on Twitter, so I get these thoughts and then I just share them on Twitter and to my newsletter and things like this. And I find that most of my video ideas and stuff just come during my walks. This is just my favorite thing to do. So that is what I'm doing right now, ending off the work day with a nice evening walk. I just love coming here to sit down at night and like just look at sunset and stuff. It's great.